Today's episode of Floyd's Mayhem Garage, we're actually in Taylor's garage. Taylor, as you know him as my camera guy, he's made a few debuts on these videos. So today we're in his garage here to work on his C10. As any good hot rodder does, he wanted to lower it and make it look good, get a good stance on it, good wheels. Lowered it to the point he was happy with it, now it's undrivable. The wheels were up something terrible. So he made a phone call to Slosh Tubz. They gave us some options, and I guess for the C10s there's a couple levels of Slosh Tubz you can get for how drastic you've lowered it. These are the, what did you say, mediums?
Milds.
Milds they call it. So for his application, he ordered the milds, and we're going to open this up and take a look at them and get them installed on this truck today.
Yeah. So let's open this box and see what they look like.
They wrapped them really nicely.
Yeah.
I was really surprised.
3 blankets.
3 blankets.
Fantastic.
Probably
Pretty good weight for fiberglass.
they are rather heavy.
Yeah, so I ordered the tubs and also these filler panels.
And these you gotta either replace or cut out or add, or I don't remember what it is.
Yeah.
For your inner fenders for these is what up against, correct?
Yeah.
Okay.
Got 2 of those.
Got 2 of them. Looks like you have some extra hardware.
Yep. I'm not sure that you actually need to order those, but I did just in case I was missing some bolts on the inner fender wells. But those should be all your, basically just factory hardware. Should work. Let's see what these actually look like. All the instructions.
Yep, worth it. They sent you stickers.
Stickers are good. Oh, actually.
What are your stickers on?
Yeah. Watch out for the fiberglass on the inside, but they're actually black, painted.
Yeah, they painted black or just a gel coat? I think it's just a gel coat.
Yeah, so yeah, maybe we'll paint it so this will match with the inner fenders.
So they're good looking gel coats though.
Yeah. So that's what that looks like. So this is going to be the driver's side. And then the passenger side should have a cutout for the AC.
Hold on, I messed up. Okay.
Here's that. Yeah. So you can see here, if you want to run AC, these are the ones to get. You can buy the normal ones without the cutouts, but then you're kind of...
Oh, okay, so yeah, it's big. Wow. Okay. Those are nice.
Yeah, that's why I kept this. I mean, the plan with this truck is to make it drivable. Now it's not drivable, and you know, I want it. This should be like a daily driver. AC, power steering, all the good stuff that you need out of a vehicle.
The stuff that I'm finally, I think, adding to my D100.
Yeah, you just got
Power steering for that. We're really looking at some AC setups.
Yeah.
So, it was cool. Yeah, they don't look like any holes. It looks like they're almost cut long, so you'll probably have to trim them up, maybe.
Right. And then I think he gave us a template, so inside the pack he gave us a booklet on how to install and a template on where we need to cut.
Oh, very good.
So,
Cool.
cool. So an inch should be easy enough. So yeah, we're going to make a separate video on how to install this. But yeah, it doesn't look like it's going to be that
It doesn't
hard.
look like it should be too hard.
So,
I know these are just all bolted together. I think the hardest part's going to make sure you get the holes drilled in this properly so you don't end up with a million extra empty holes.
yeah, exactly.
So,
Cool. All right. Well, we'll see you guys on the next episode where we install these.